Hello there, I'm Honey Boy. Love music, big on cooking, and searching for my sweet someone.
Honey boy.